Hello, savvy savers and holiday hustling enthusiasts. My name is Cece, your guide to turning this holiday season from a wallet drainer into a money maker. And welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes!
Hit it! Welcome to Inside Your Hustle. You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. I'm going to give you 5 ways to hustle some holiday money up. Now, no particular order. Let's start with number 5, gift wrapping service. Starting a gift wrapping service as a holiday side hustle can be a profitable venture, particularly during the festive season when many people are looking for convenient and beautiful wrapped presents. To begin, you need to invest in high quality wrapping materials, such as this wrapping cutter. This is an awesome cutter I've been using, and I made this. So watch how, I know you're used to the scissor, but let me show you an easier way. Let's see. It cuts the wrapping paper. It keeps it even. It keeps it straight. I'm telling you, this is so much quicker than a scissor. Wow, there you go. See, so I can wrap the paper. It's even. It's quicker than a scissor. You're going to need to invest in materials like this, including various types of paper, ribbons, and embellishments, and develop a portfolio of wrapping styles to showcase your skills. Marketing your services through social media, local community boards, and word of mouth is essential. Offering personalized and theme wrapping options can attract a diverse range of clients, such as if they like Spider-Man, try to find Spider-Man wrapping paper. That would be so awesome. Find out their theme and then find wrapping paper to go with that theme. Additionally, consider partnering with local businesses or shopping centers to expand your customer base and potential. Set up a wrapping station during peak shopping hours. I know where I live at. We have night markets. We have all type of vendors going on during the Christmas season, the holiday season. And you can maybe set up a table, wrap the gifts right after they purchase them from the vendors. You be right there with your table wrapping up the gifts. That'll be some extra side hustling right there for yourself, some extra money. With creativity and effective service, a gift wrapping side hustle can be a delightful and profitable way to capitalize on the holiday season. A wonderful example you can follow is Andrea Morales, who owns Let's Wrap It Up, a mobile gift wrapping company that wraps your gifts for you and makes them look seriously adorable. An informal survey by Rising Innovator showed that gift wrapping at malls start at about $3 per gift, with higher prices for larger packages. However, skilled gift wrappers, not like myself, no, but if you're a skilled wrapper who are in high demand, can charge as much as $50 per package. Whoa, I need to practice. I could be making like $50 a package. What? I'm gonna work on that. Now, number 4, holiday decoration installation. To make money from holiday decoration installation, start by offering your services to residential and commercial clients in your area. Create a portfolio showcasing your previous work and set competitive pricing. Also, if you've decorated your own home, take videos and photos to show potential clients a chance to see your skills. Promote your services through local advertising, social media, of course, and word of mouth. Consider offering package deals for Christmas tree setup, outdoor lighting, and interior decor. Focus on providing excellent customer service being reliable, and delivering eye-catching holiday displays. As the holiday season approaches, scale up your operation, hire additional help if necessary, and ensure timely installations, helping you generate a profitable holiday decoration installation business. According to Angie.com, someone can make from $300 to $2,500 for this work per home. Now, I'm sure you heard of the Mario Brothers, but you gotta check out the Christmas Brothers to see what they've done with several homes. Number 3, baking and catering. Launching a holiday baking and catering side hustle can be a lucrative way to tap into the festive season's demand for homemade treats and festive meals. Start by creating a menu of unique and traditional baked goods and catering options that cater to a variety of tastes and dietary preference. Leverage social media and local community groups to showcase your offerings, and consider setting up a booth at a local holiday market or fair. You gotta hurry up and start doing this because time is a ticking. Building relationships with local businesses for corporate holiday orders can also be beneficial. Offering customizations such as personalized cookies or themed catering packages as an appealing touch. Efficient time management and maintaining high standards of quality and hygiene are crucial for success. And with a blend of culinary skills, creativity, and effective marketing, your holiday baking and catering services can attract a steady stream of customers looking for that special homemade touch during the holiday season. You can even turn that holiday baking business into a full-year multi-million-dollar baking company, just like Mignon Francois, who owns her very own successful baking company, The Cupcake Collection, which made $10 million selling cupcakes. I need to learn how to get my baking on. Number 2, holiday photography. Making money with holiday photography is a side hustle involves leveraging the festive season's demand for themed photos. Start by investing in a quality photography equipment and learn about different holiday themes and aesthetics. Offer specialized services such as family holiday portraits, event photography for holiday parties, because a lot are coming up, or creating custom holiday greeting cards with your photos. I remember back in the day, I used to always do those family photos. Utilize social media and local community platforms to advertise your services, offering early booking discounts or package deals to attract clients. Collaborate with local businesses or event planners to gain exposure and build a portfolio. Ensure you can capture the spirit of the holidays in your work, delivering high quality, memorable photos that clients will treasure, leading to referrals and repeat business. While running this type of business, there are companies that are charging upwards of $650. Such as Times Square Photo Studio. All you need for this business is a location, a good camera such as a Canon or that shiny new iPhone you might still be paying off, and access to a photo printer or print services. Number 1, e-commerce with holiday themed products. To make money with festive e-commerce, focus on holiday themed products. Start by identifying a niche, market, or unique product ideas that appeal to holiday shoppers, such as custom ornaments, festive apparel, or unique gift ideas. Create high-quality, appealing products and build an attractive online store on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. Use social media and digital marketing strategies to promote your products, targeting holiday shoppers with special offers, limited time deals, or exclusive items. Engage with customers through compelling content and holiday-themed marketing campaigns. Consider offering personalized options to add value and uniqueness to your products. Manage your inventory efficiently to handle the seasonal surge in orders and provide excellent customer service to encourage repeat businesses and positive reviews, which are crucial for building trust and expanding your customer base. I have a video that breaks down how to put together an e-commerce shop with Printify and Wix right here. There you go. A link for that should be right here. Now, a business like this can start off as a holiday-themed e-commerce shop, then become a full-fledged year-round e-commerce shop and make about $1,900 a day. And there you have it, holiday hustlers. We have unwrapped some fantastic ideas today for turning this season into a cash-making wonderland. From decking the halls as a decoration installer to capturing many merry memories as a holiday photographer. The possibilities are as endless as the holiday songs on repeat at the mall. I cracked myself up. And if you're interested in this tool I use to cut the wrapping paper more accurately and quicker, I posted the link down below. Remember, the key to a successful holiday side hustle is not just about making extra cash. It's about spreading joy, being creative, and maybe even saving a few people from their annual gift wrapping nightmares. So, which holiday side hustle sparked your interest? Are you ready to whip up some festive treats? Or are you just looking to add some dollars to this season's joy? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to smash that like button, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips. I wish you all a season filled with joy, success, and maybe a little bit of that holiday hustle magic. Keep hustling, stay merry, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays! And happy hustling, everyone. And remember, you are amazing. Take care. Bye-bye.